Tired of your precious WhatsApp memories vanishing into thin air, never making it to your phone's gallery? Let's fix that. First up, let's tackle permissions on Android. Open your phone's settings app. Scroll down and tap on apps or applications. The wording might vary depending on your phone. Find WhatsApp in the list of apps and tap on it. Next, select permissions. This is where we ensure WhatsApp has the right access. Make sure the storage permission is toggled on. This allows WhatsApp to save photos and videos to your device. If it's off, photos won't be saved. Now, let's head over to iPhone users. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Privacy. Then, tap on Photos. Find WhatsApp in the list. Ensure that it has all photos access. If it says limited access or none, WhatsApp won't be able to save photos to your gallery. Okay, back to WhatsApp itself. Open WhatsApp and tap on Settings, usually found in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on Storage and Data. Look for Media Auto Download. Make sure that photos are set to download automatically for both mobile data and Wi-Fi. If these are turned off, you'll need to manually download each photo, and even then, they might not save automatically. Finally, let's check your phone's storage. If your phone is full, WhatsApp won't be able to save new photos. Delete some old files or photos to free up space. And that's it. Following these steps should solve your WhatsApp photo saving woes. Now you can enjoy all those precious memories right in your gallery. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.